Hi, welcome to the first video in our tutorial series, and today we're going to cover registration for My Rotary. So far, over 60,000 people have already registered, but some may still be having some issues registering, and so we hope to address some of those here. So first, how do I register? So let's take you through that process. First, you want to go to www.rotary.org/myrotary, and when you come here you'll see sign in and register. Now, one thing to keep in mind is even if you have registered for member access in the past, everyone has to re-register for My Rotary. It's a little easier though if you have registered for member access before. But either way, you want to come here and click register. And then you want to type in your first and last name, and then the sign-in email, and then select 18 years or older. And if we do recognize your email address on our system, then we'll send you a confirmation email. If we don't recognize the email, then there's one more step. So click continue. And now in this case, we don't recognize the email. So they're asking a few more questions. City, postal code, secondary email, member ID, club name. Now you don't have to enter in all of these, but the more you enter in, the easier it'll be to find you in our system and match you to the correct profile. Then you click continue, and then you will receive an email from do-not-reply@rotarymailings.org saying complete your rotary.org registration, and then click here to activate my account. This will bring you to this page where you'll create a password, making sure that there's at least 8 characters, at least one is uppercase, one's lowercase, and one's a number. You want to type that same password again, and then you want to select one of the 7 security questions. Then you click Create Account. From there, it'll bring you back to My Rotary, and then now you'll click Sign In. Enter in your sign-in email, type in your password, and then click sign in. So that's how it goes if everything goes smoothly. But what if you didn't receive the email to complete registration? Well, first thing to do is check your spam blocker and see if the message is in there. You can also try adding do not reply at rotarymailings.org to your safe senders list, and then try registering again. One thing to keep in mind though is that everyone must have a unique email address in our system. So if more than one person is registered in our database with the same email address, you'll need to have your club president or secretary remove the email address from any of the other members in your club who also may have that address. If you do need further assistance, you can contact the Contact Center at 866-9-ROTARY or contact.center@rotary.org. So what if you have received the email, but for some reason or another you can't get the link to work? Okay, well, some email browsers, they may leave off portions of a link or remove the ability to click a link, or you may have an old your default browser may not be the supported one, so you may get an error message. So what you want to do is you want to right click or double click if you're on a Mac and select copy link address. Then you want to right click and then paste the link address up here. Press enter, and then that will bring you to the account setup page so that you can complete your registration. So that's all we have for now, but for more FAQs and videos on using the Rotary website, click on Learning in Reference, and then underneath Learn by Topic you will see Rotary.org. And for further assistance, you can get in touch with the Contact Center at contact.center@rotary.org. Thanks.